Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I posted something, at least a week. That's not like your girl, so I'm back on it. I just want to show y'all what I'm doing without me wearing the faux edge. I still have these dreads in, or these faux locks in my head. It's been about 2 weeks since I installed them, and when I am not wearing my faux edges or my faux makeshift faux lock, I am still trying to regrow back my edges. So I'm still using the Dermarolling. They have microbladed needles on the roller, and this is just to penetrate the topical layer of the skin, and it's going to allow us to apply this hair regrowth treatment, and it's going to allow it to penetrate down to the hair follicles to promote hair growth. So let me just show y'all real quick what I do. I'm just taking this Dermaroller and I roll it in every direction, because my hair is short and these pins are not catching my hair or snagging or tugging or anything. So I'm able to just roll mine all over, just like this. And I do this for about maybe 5 minutes. And this is just going to help, like I say, penetrate the top layer of the skin. And it's going to allow that product to get down in there and get these hair follicles stimulated and promote some healthier hair growth. And once I have done that, we are going to go in with our hair regrowth treatment, aka Rogaine 5% minoxidil. And so if y'all want to try it, y'all go ahead and try it. A lot of girls ask me if this product works. I say yes. If you want to go back to the beginning of when I first started this channel, you'll see your girl ain't have no hairline. Such an embarrassing moment in my time, but I'm trying to regrow them back. So this is what the area is looking like once the minoxidil has dried on the scalp. I'm just going to take my little brush here, and this just is a little hair brush, a toothbrush, but it's an old one. I use it for my edges. And I'm just going to brush all the hairs down because I am going to probably go out sometime today. And y'all know me. I'm not going out looking like this. But I'm about to show you what I am going to go out looking like in a few minutes. So let me comb my edges down just to get these hairs going all in the same direction. Just like that. We get a close up so y'all can see the hairline. Y'all can see some hairs that are actually starting to fill in. And like I say, if y'all don't know how much progress I have gotten, go back to when I first began this video, or began my channel, and y'all check out the very first video on my channel, and you'll see all that was just blown out, just gone. It was so embarrassing. I was at a low point in my life. Thank God I have came thus far, and I'm able to tackle this journey with y'all. So y'all definitely go over there and check that out. Okay, but anyways, let's say you got somewhere to be. You don't want to apply your faux edges or your faux lock piece on. You don't want to do none of that. What you're going to do is put your hair tie on. I got this material. It's beautiful mustard colored scarf. Now that we have our head wrap on, y'all remember the baby hairs we comb down, right? This is what you can do with them. I'm going in with some of this Cantu Shea for natural hair. It's a mega hold styling gel, and it's supposed to be good for humidity. I don't know if y'all ever tried this, but try it out, see if it works for y'all. It's okay for me. I don't use it often, but I think it'll get the job done. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that on my little brush, and with these edges that we comb down, just so y'all don't look so bald, just go ahead and like try to give them like a little swoop, just like that. That is just going to add a little bit more character and definition to this hairstyle. It's going to be just like so freaking cute. And don't worry about the little white cast, because you do have that minoxidil on there. But once this dries, that white cast will disappear. You won't even see that. Matter of fact, I could just rub my finger over it just to make sure, the white cast will go away. And then just put your little scarf right there over it. And you have like a little cute little edge that's going to be sticking out just like this. That cute little baby hairs right there. And that's just going to add just like a little finishing touch to the look. And I'm going to put a little bit more. And go ahead and slick our sideburn down right here. Try to do a little swoop or something right here. Something real cute, something simple. Go ahead and wipe that white cast off. But yeah, go ahead and slick that down. And then just let it curl up and do what it's gonna do, just like that. And I think that this just looks so cute. And these are our newly regrown baby hairs, so we have come a long way. Let's go ahead and do the other side. You can pull your ear out too if you like. Put that behind your ear. So it's good for this side. You have your little faux edge. Well, not faux edge. You have your real hair this time. Let's flip it to the other side. And we're going to do the same thing. Just in case you want to be versatile, let's flip your hair back and forth. Put your ear out. Move this back just a little bit. Get some of those baby hairs out and get them slicked. Take some of that Cantu gel right on the back of our toothbrush. Lift your head wrap up so you don't want to get gel on your head wrap. And grab these little hairs. See, you got little hairs. There's hairs there. They're just very fine, but they're in their maturing stage, which is okay. That's what we want. And then just with your finger, try to eliminate that white cast. And then put your hair tie right back down. For all my people who don't like baby hairs, you can go ahead and definitely skip this step. You can pull out the ones on the front of your forehead, because I got a big ass forehead, so I'm gonna try to pull them little hairs out too up at the top. Slick those down a little bit. Alright. And then let's go ahead and do this little edge. And I'm only just using a little bit of gel, because I want my minoxidil to still do what it's gonna do. And we're just gonna go ahead and just swoop that around just like that. Just get that a nice little swoop. Alright, you can wipe that white cast off. You don't need that. It'll dry anyways, but you in a rush, go ahead and just take a little paper towel, a little napkin, piece of tissue, wipe it off. And there you have a hairstyle, y'all, while you still being able to treat your edges up underneath. Oh yeah, one more thing before I go. If your natural hair isn't as prominent as you want it to stand out, you can go in with like a light or a dark brown pencil, depending on what color your hair is. And you can just go ahead and put like little hair-like strokes in there. And that's just going to make the edges really stand out and pop. So it doesn't look like you're so bald-headed or your hair is thin in the hairline. So you can just do it like this. Just go ahead and drag some hairs down in like a swirl direction or swoop direction. Just like this. And that's just going to darken up the edges that you already have there. And then put your head wrap back on, and now you can actually really see them. Versus this side, hair is there, but it's not as popping as this side. So we're gonna do the same thing over here. Just lift this up. And like I say, that's just gonna help that really stand out. You don't wanna apply too much because you don't want it to look fake. And then just go ahead and lay that head wrap back down. If you have like shallow spots here, like right up in here, it's kind of like thin, go ahead and put some there. Not too much. And maybe on the other side, right up in here. And these are the finishing touches for this hairstyle. Alright, so this is how it's now looking after we put a little darkening on it. And there you have it. If y'all feeling this versatile hairstyle, whether you want to rock it like this, the Poetic Justice style, whether you want to flip it to the left, honey, or if you want to flip it back to the right, honey, it's up to you. The choice is yours. Do whatever you want to do with your hair. Let me know what y'all think about this style. Go ahead and drop me a comment section down below. Thumbs up this video, share it, like, and subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. I have a lot more DIY things coming to my channel, hairstyles and easy DIYs, might I add. And anybody can do them. So if y'all want to stay tuned, see what I got coming up next, y'all do just that. I'll check y'all again in my next one. Bye, y'all.